Confidence isn't loud. It isn't arrogance. And it's not about being the most impressive person in the room. Real confidence is quiet. You know that feeling when you just trust yourself? That's what it is. It's built in the small moments when nobody's watching. When there's no applause, no validation. Most people chase approval. Likes, praise, someone saying well done. But confidence doesn't really grow from that. It grows from self-respect. From knowing, privately, that you did what you said you would do. Confidence starts small. Smaller than you think. It starts with the promises you make to yourself. Waking up when you said you would. Finishing the workout you planned. Completing the task you wrote down. It isn't glamorous. It isn't exciting. But every time you follow through, you send yourself a message. I can rely on me. And that trust builds. Broken promises slowly weaken confidence. Kept promises quietly strengthen it. The strongest confidence is built in private. It's the early morning walk when you could have stayed in bed. It's cleaning your desk even though nobody's coming over. It's finishing something even when you don't feel like it. No one sees it, but you know. And that knowing changes how you stand, how you speak, how you move through the world. When you respect your own standards, you stop chasing validation. You don't need to prove anything. Confidence doesn't come from one big breakthrough. It isn't built in a single moment of courage. It's built in repetition. Small actions done consistently. That's what shapes identity. When you repeatedly act like a disciplined person, you start believing you are one. And once you believe it, your behavior shifts naturally. Not because you're forcing it, but because it feels true. Confidence isn't something you wait to feel. It's something you build. One small promise at a time. And if you're choosing to build real confidence this month, comment "I keep my word" and hit like. Let that be the first promise you keep today. In the next video, we're building your Sunday reset system, a simple way to start every week feeling clear, steady, and in control.